Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to reprogram your Dodge Durango key fob. You can easily program a new or existing key fob right from your driveway, saving you a trip to the dealership and some money. This simple process typically takes about 5 minutes and allows you to program up to 8 key fobs for your vehicle. Let's get started with the essential preparation steps. Before we begin, gather all the key fobs you intend to program, including any existing working ones. Make sure your vehicle's battery is in good condition for a smooth process. Once ready, enter your Dodge Durango, close all doors securely, and fasten your seatbelt. This helps prevent any confusing chimes during the programming sequence. Now for the programming. Insert your key into the ignition and turn it to the on position, but do not start the engine. Next, press and hold the unlock button on a working fob for at least 4 seconds. While still holding unlock, press the panic button within 6 seconds. Release both buttons, you should hear a single chime, confirming entry into programming mode. Within 30 seconds, press both lock and unlock on the fob to be programmed, then release. Immediately press unlock again. You will hear another chime. If you have more key fobs to program, repeat the previous step for each one within 30 seconds of the initial chime. Once all fobs are programmed, turn the ignition to the OFF position and remove the key. This action will exit the programming mode. Finally, step out of your vehicle and thoroughly test each key fob to ensure all functions, like locking and unlocking, work correctly. You're all set.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.